These women, adorned in black clothing under the auspices of credible Igbo Women Initiative, gathered inside this hall, are deeply worried over the spate of killings and wanton destruction of property in the Southeast zone by unknown gunmen.
Stop the killing! Every time you look on TV, you turn on your phone, it's just dead bodies all over the place. Men, women, children. Kidnapping is now big business in Nigeria. How did we get there? How do we get out of it? We are no longer prepared to keep quiet. And we want to say to you, we come in peace. We want peace.
Every stakeholder, every musician, all the artists in Nigeria should stand up now and say no to the killings. We are saying no to the killings.
For them, the reckless spilling of blood with impunity on a daily basis, as well as the militarization of Igbo land, is what they want President Muhammadu Buhari to address, even as Section 14, subsection 2 of the Nigerian 1999 Constitution, as amended, states that the security and welfare of the citizens shall be the primary function of government.
The federal government is obliged to protect all the peoples of Nigeria, including Igbo land, which is currently under heavy armed attack by air and land daily. 2. We are deeply saddened by the wanton destruction of public facilities and the targeted killings of security operatives and public servants.
A lot of things are going wrong. Last month, my brother-in-law was buried. He was killed in Anambra State. He's a prison official.
In its 8-point communique issued at the end of the media briefing, they called on President Muhammadu Buhari, among others, to convene a security conference to address the problems head-on, while not losing sight of compensating the victims of the unrest. The women who claim that, as mothers, they bear the brunt of this avoidable loss of lives and property, say they are tired of burying their children. Obionume, AIT News, Lagos.